Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to start by setting up the project, creating a basic Kivy app, and displaying a simple Hello World message. Alright, let's get started by setting up the project folder. I'll be using Linux Mint for development, but everything we do today should work on Windows and Mac OS too. So let's create a directory for our project and open it in VS Code. Then open Terminal. Now type this command to create virtual environment. Let's activate the virtual environment. I'm on Linux, so I'll type source -bin/activate. If you're on Windows, use the command shown on screen. Next, let's install Kivy using pip. Just type pip install Kivy. This will download and install all the necessary Kivy packages. Now, let's create our main Python file. I'll name it main.py. This is where we'll write our Kivy app code. First, we import app and label from Kivy. We create a new class Markdown Editor app, which inherits from Kivy's app class. The build method is a required method for Kivy apps. It's where we define the UI components of our app. Here, we're simply returning a label widget with the text, Hello World. At the end of the file, we call our app class using the standard Python entry point. This tells Python to run the app when the script is executed. Now let's run the app. You should see a window pop up with a basic Kivy app. And that's it. The Kivy app is now running. Thanks for watching.